sitting here at the piano, and now is the time when I tell you that I don't sing, and I really don't play the piano.
Do you need more lights?
No, I don't think that's good enough. So, for those of you who have a voice, interpolate in your mind. And sorry, I'm wearing my craft paper shirt. So this is. You didn't announce my title, by the way.
What's the title?
Title of my act.
Oh, I did not announce the title because I thought you would want to do it.
Oh, okay. So this is a love song. It's called All the Way. Let epsilon be greater than 0. Oh, I missed my next chord. Sorry. I'll just choose delta very small. Logarithm, it will be our hero. Multiple values and all. I'll go all the way. I'll go all the way. I'll go all the way. To the point at infinity. Contours, they are winding past so many poles and they're ready. Whoops. Past the branch because we are finding our integral. We know what to do. Whoops. And I'll go all the way. I'll go all the way. I'll go all the way. To the point at infinity. Now comes our series expansion. Central singularity. But our domain is like a mansion. Convergent limits, and we're free. I'll go all the way. I'll go all the way. I'll go all the way. Point at infinity.